Hello, I welcome you to today's tutorial. We are still exploring and learning how to carry out electrical house wiring. In today's tutorial, I will design a wiring system using a phase meter, a one-phase gear switch box, a distribution board, DB, an earth rod for earthing, wall outlet sockets, lighting points, a fan point, a fan regulator switch, and a one-gang switch. This design represents a small living room with 2 wall lights, 1 ceiling fan, and 2 wall outlet sockets. From the consumer's utility supply, power feeds the meter with 16 mm cables, live and neutral, connected to the incoming terminals of the one-phase meter. Then, using 10 mm wires, the live and neutral are connected to the outgoing terminals of the meter, linking to the incoming terminals of the fuses in the gear switch box. The same wire sizes, live and neutral, are connected to the outgoing terminals of the gear switch box, running through this pipe layout to feed power to the DB. In the DB, we have miniature circuit breakers with different ratings. Their ratings differ depending on the load demand of a particular circuit. The lighting point's load demand is always smaller compared to the wall outlet socket's load demand. This DB has a neutral bus bar and an earth bus bar. This neutral wire in this DB links to the neutral bus bar, connecting it with the incoming neutral wire. From the neutral bus bar, all circuits get their neutral. All the miniature circuit breakers are fixed to the conductor bus bar that connects the incoming hot wire. Here is the earth rod, assumed to be buried in the ground. A conductor connects the earth rod to the body of the DB and to the earth bus bar, where any circuit can loop earth from. Circuit points are connected to the circuit breakers in the DB. This pipe runs from the DB, leading to the wall outlet socket. This wall outlet socket loops from the previous one. 3 wires run from the DB to the wall outlet sockets: the neutral wire, the hot wire, and the earth wire. These 3 wires are fished through this pipe to come out at this wall outlet socket point. As you can see, we have 3 wires here: the earth wire, the hot wire, and the neutral wire, connected to this socket. The second socket is looped from the first. Apart from the kitchen, laundry, and other heavy electrical appliances outlet circuits, the standard amperage for outlet sockets miniature circuit breakers is 15 amps, which should be done with 2.5 mm wires. For the lighting points and fan connection, we have 1 hot wire and a neutral wire. This earth wire is connected to the earth bus bar. The neutral wire that feeds the socket point is connected to the neutral bus bar, while the one that feeds the light and fan points is also connected to the neutral bus bar. This hot wire connects to this circuit breaker terminal. This one here also connects to this circuit breaker. 1 hot wire feeds the fan point and the light points. The 2 wires are fished through this pipe layout, coming to the fan point where the neutral wire terminates. This neutral wire from the DB feeds the fan, then this one loops from the main neutral wire to link to the light point. Another neutral wire loops from the same main neutral wire to feed the second light point. The hot wire from the DB passes through the pipe layout to the switch box. The fan regulator switch obtains its hot wire by looping from this one in the switch box. This is the branch wire that passes through the pipe layout to supply power to the fan. The switch is a one-gang switch controlling 2 lights simultaneously. The branch wire passes through the pipe layout, through the fan point, to the first light point. The second hot wire loops from this branch wire, passing through the pipe layout to the second light point. Turning on the switch will light up both lamps. I will show us the simulation demonstration in the next video. Follow me for the detailed walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.